Speaker, finally I got a chance. Mr. Speaker, I use only 1 minute to say we reject this finance bill, reject the report of the committee on the finance bill. Mr. Speaker, a German social constructivist once said, Alexander Wendt, he once said that anarchy is what the states make of it. Mr. Speaker, this government is going to create anarchy in this country. And this finance bill is going to be the impetus of this anarchy. We have seen what is going around. We have seen every town in this country is occupied. And very soon, members of parliament, their homes are going to be occupied. We cannot sit here and pretend that everything is normal outside. Mr. Speaker, I want to urge my colleagues on the other side, you have a few minutes to change your mind. We must reject this finance bill.
Gigi Kagombe. Give him the mic.
Thank you, Speaker. I stand to support this Finance Bill 2024 because, Mr. Speaker, we have a responsibility as a House to create employment for the people who are out there demonstrating. Mr. Speaker, we also have a responsibility to make sure that we give the right information to the young people of this nation. In as much as they elected us and we listen to them during public participations, we also have a responsibility to tell them the truth. Mr. Speaker, for the people who are lying in Gatondo Hospital and for the doctors who are going to treat them, I vote yes. Mr. Speaker, for the tea farmers who are in Gatondo now and other places, I vote yes. For the JSS teachers, I vote yes. For those people who are guarding us as the police officers, I vote yes. For the members of KDF who need to be paid salaries, I vote yes. For the people that we need to create employment and to create manufacturing in this nation, we are asking that we introduce excess duty on products that are gotten from other countries so that we support our economy. Those people who are out there need jobs. In fact, those people who are being mobilized are being mobilized because they do not have jobs. We have a responsibility to create jobs for them, Mr. Speaker, and we shall not create